everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the Lightdash CLI to set up a best practice CI/CD pipeline. So in Lightdash, because everything is written as code, I have this single source of truth here with all of my models and my metrics, my charts, and my dashboards. And out of the box, the Lightdash CLI gives you a bunch of data quality tools. For example, we have Lightdash lint, and this will go and check that all of my YAML files, which are now very likely AI generated, it checks that all the indentation is right and that my metrics are defined correctly. And so I've already added this into a GitHub action workflow. And so let's put that to the test. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this total PRs metric, which I know is used in a bunch of my charts and dashboards. And I'm going to save this, and I'm going to push it up to GitHub. So now I've pushed it up, I'm going to open a pull request. And so now it's going to run a bunch of data quality checks. It's going to check that the YAML file is in the right format. And it's going to validate that all of the charts and dashboards haven't been broken by me changing the semantic layer. And all of this is powered by the Lightdash CLI. And so you could do this in GitHub Actions, but you could also do it in any CI/CD process that you have. And you can see that these have failed, which is as I expected. And that's because it's gone and figured out that there's a bunch of these metrics and charts that have been broken by me removing this. And so this is just a really great way to ensure that you're keeping production healthy and that you can move quickly and make changes with AI without breaking production.